Daylight not only improves the internal environment of a building, but also significantly impacts the energy efficiency of the facility. Roof lights provide an excellent, cost-effective way of providing natural daylight for buildings, which creates a healthy working environment for occupants. Many studies have found this increases productivity and promotes well-being. Energysaver factory-assembled insulating roof lights are the market's most effective solution for energy-efficient, weatherproof daylighting in composite roofs. These roof lights are designed to meet the challenge of carbon reduction in the next generation of buildings. With multiple performance options, Energysaver can be specified to meet the individual needs of a diverse range of building types. Energysaver FAIRs provide a range of important benefits. Diffused light transmission of up to 60% creates the optimum working environment by minimizing glare and shadows. Energysaver is manufactured in a low-carbon environment and certified by an environmental product declaration that includes measurement of the embodied carbon. With excellent thermal efficiency and U-value options as low as 0.9 watts per square meter Kelvin, Energysaver easily outperforms the requirements of Part L 2021. The typical life cycle of up to 30 years plus represents an efficient use of resources. Energysaver is delivered to site as a single component for rapid, trouble-free installation. Every aspect of the product is designed to provide a weathertight, fit-and-forget solution. Classified to Class B non-fragility, Energysaver enhances the safety of those who use and maintain the building. The product can be configured to meet the fire ratings required. Our manufacturing process eliminates waste on-site, while simple installation reduces labor costs. Many of Energysaver's features are unique and are provided as standard. GRP's low thermal expansion coefficient prevents weather tightness issues caused by expansion or contraction of the roof light. A range of GRP weather sheets also enable the correct specification for extreme climatic conditions, extending life expectancy and its non-fragile performance. The multiple layers within Energysaver enhance energy efficiency, eliminate thermal bridges, and reduce the risk of condensation. The rigid top sheet with Superlife surface protection enhances performance against weathering and UV degradation. A lightweight insulation layer improves thermal performance with minimal loss of light transmission. Our unique rigid hard-pack internal supports eliminate dishing around the fastener for a secure, weather-tight fixing. A galvanized steel underlap strip allows side laps to be stitched with standard fasteners, adding rigidity and ensuring reliable fixing at any point. Our reinforced end fillers add robustness and rigidity, protecting the lightweight insulation layer and filler. A small range of standard fixings means no extra components are needed. Energysaver factory-assembled insulating roof lights, the most effective solution for energy-efficient, weatherproof daylighting in composite roofs.